Today we're at Directions EMEA 2025 and we're in the consulting zone. And I have Martin here as my special guest. Martin, tell the people who you are and what you do.
Hi Martin, I'm in between jobs after selling my company to BioMIT, and now I'm doing a lot of free of charge work. So I'm running the consultant zone, I'm volunteering here to help, and I'm writing a book, but this is a different story.
So we have our unemployed friend Martin here today,
Yes.
talking about the consulting zone. So how many directions have you been to?
And my first directions actually was 2012 in the United States, in Phoenix, Arizona. And since then, every directions in the US and in EMEA.
Nice.
Maybe now 25, 23, I don't know.
So why is it important you come to Directions?
Well, it is important to come here to learn all the new stuff from Microsoft, the exciting AI things this time, but it's also even more important to meet people, to engage with people, and to connect. So Directions and Directions EMEA is the place to be if you want to build a network in a booming industry.
So we're in the consulting zone, and this is a new concept of getting together. So why is it important that we start to form these zones?
I think from my personal experience, when I went to my first directions, it was a couple of hundred people. Now we are way beyond 3,000 people. And although it is more people, or because it is more people, it is harder to connect. Because in the beginning, every company sent 1 or 2 or 3 people, and then you were forced to talk to a stranger. Now companies send 10, 20, 30 people, and they stay within their tribe and within their company. And with zones, you have the chance to more easily find your peers again. And this is all about what should happen in those 4 zones that we have.
So why is it important to come to Directions and really meet other consultants?
I think it is important because then you get inspiration. And if you talk to another consultant who works maybe in another country, you can talk very openly because you're in a non-competitive situation, and then you can share ideas, you can share tools, you can share resources, you can share best practices without revealing your secrets to your competitors. And that just creates like collective wisdom and collective intelligence. And this then in general makes this whole community stronger, much stronger. This is, by the way, how I could grow my company, because I met a lot of other leaders and we could talk very openly about things that work and that don't work.
Okay, Martin, thank you for your time and enjoy the rest of Directions 2025.
I will. And if you're a consultant and if you're production scheduling, read my book. It is called Beyond the Whiteboard. Thanks, Rick.
All right. Thanks, Martin.